Well, I don't see anything newsworthy about what we are talking about. We're all in this country. When the government was sued in the ECOWAS court, we knew exactly what the lady was asking, and yet we went ahead and announced a new Chief Justice. The person went through vetting. The minority tried to draw attention to the pendency of these issues. Parliament will not have none of that. The minority had to work out. Eventually, the person nominated was vetted, and the person was then sworn into office. What do you think is the effect of all this on the case? They have place a fear accompli, on them. That, look, we have done all these things already. So what's the point of you going to hear this application? So to me, this thing is not newsworthy. There's nothing to talk about because we all know that as we speak today, there is a new Chief Justice who has even been sworn in. So what are we looking for?
You think that withdraw the application, did you?
Reverse it and go back or what? There's nothing. That's why they are saying, let us go into the merits of the case. Since the application was filed, they have refused to respond to the case itself. And the court is saying, go and file your response within 30 days and come and let us go into this matter. As for this preliminary offense, it's of no use, it's of no value because you have fixed them with fear accompli already. You've done all that you want to do. So we'll hear this matter. Let us go into the full matter itself.
Okay.
That is my take on this matter.
So, per our simple understanding, this does not affect the ledger of the substantive matter at all, in any way?
At all, because when this case was filed, the first thing they told everybody was that the ECOWAS court has no jurisdiction. Some of us kept telling them that it is not true. The ECOWAS court operates whether or not a case is pending in your country. ECOWAS court will still hear so long as it has to do with the violation of human rights. But they were too full of themselves, kept saying that the court will dismiss it because there are pending cases in the Supreme Court, High Court, and so on, so which have not been dealt with. Now that ruling has gone against them, that they should file their process and let's hear the matter. Rather, they are talking about this, excuse my language, useless ruling. What is the point? What would that achieve? When they have gone ahead and done everything that they wanted to do on this end regarding the new appointment.
Is this,
what is the value?
Is this normal?
To me, it is of no use. But what is newsworthy is that their preliminary objection has been dismissed and they have been given 30 days to file their processes.
Okay, and so you're proceeding with or without? You're proceeding to the most substantive matter.
That is it. That is the position.
Okay. Okay. What's the general position anyway, that when a matter is in court, are you in any way suggesting that the actions that happened in Ghana, both in Parliament, the minority walking out and all of that, had a certain impact on this particular preliminary matter in the ECOWAS court?
I'm saying that I am only the substantive chief. I'm only a suspended Chief Justice. My matters are pending both in Ghana and ECOWAS. So stay your hands and let's see what the ruling will be. You said, no, I am going ahead to appoint a new Chief Justice. And you did that. And you even swore the person in. Why are you jubilating that an interim application has been dismissed? Because that interim has been overtaken by events.
Right.
That's the point I'm making.
Right.
Why didn't they just hold their horses to allow the ruling to come? For example, this ruling has come saying that it's okay, now there's no interim application. But all the applications were pending, and they still went ahead and did what they did.
Right. That's quite understandable. Thank you for joining us this afternoon and bringing this clarity to this matter.
My pleasure. Bye-bye.